Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change long digit password in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to change this password, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change long digit password in our Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change it. Then guys, you click on your password setting. Guys, lock screen password. Guys, enter your password. As you can see, your modify password, tap here again guys. So you can see, use a different password type. Again guys, click on this 4 to 16 digit password and new password guys. Example, we will take this 2580 guys. 3 times we will take it. And guys, again next. Confirm. Guys, now let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6. What's wrong? 2580 2580. So guys, you can see guys, password has changed in our Realme phone device. So like that guys, you can change your long digit password in your Realme phone. So thanks for watching guys. Now we will move to next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.